Clear resolution enhancer demo mode loop pop-up in Sony TV. Let's see how to fix this. Press home button from the TV remote. Go to settings. Go to setup setting. From there go to factory setting. Do you want to reset factory setting? Select yes. Select language. Select region and then area. Select home. Select skip. Go to video input by pressing input button from the TV remote. After factory reset, demo mode loop is not coming in the TV screen. Press the options button from the TV remote. You can see demo mode loop has been removed from the options menu. Subscribe.